Alright guys, so this one is going to be a haul. I got a package from Zaful. I was contacted by them, and to Zaful I say thank you very much for even contacting me. This is a Jamaican girl. Thank you so much. You guys, Zaful has been so patient with me. It's unreal. Unfreaking real. So to Zaful, thank you for your patience. Yes, Papa? Yeah? Bugogan. Yes. So I thank Zaful again for being patient with me. I'm just showing you guys a run through of their website so you guys can understand that they offer more than swimsuits. I don't want you to think that it's only swimsuit that they offer. I'm coming, Papa. Remember early on, I think last year, I believe it was last year, when I did activewear haul, a fitness haul, and they were one of the websites that I actually purchased from. So it's pretty cool to actually be contacted by them to do this line. Now this video is very uncomfortable for me. If you know me, y'all know I got body issues, and unfortunately a couple of the swimsuits that were sent to me, they cannot fit me because I chose them in a small. I should have gone with a large, because you see the bottom area, like the bikini bottoms, they cannot pass my hips, which I'm grateful for. Woo woo. But the top part, the booby parts, they fit me, but the bottom parts, like the bikini bottom parts, the panty parts, sorry, those can't fit me. They cannot pass my hips, and I tried to have one pass my hip and I heard yeah, so that tore. The next clip will be showing guys what can't fit me. Ouch. But in this clip, I'm just showing guys what Zaful offers. I mean, their bathing suits are top of the line. The quality is absolutely amazing. For these prices, I'm shocked at the quality. So can I have a moment of silence for the swimsuits who did not make it? Cue music. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here. Mommy. Yes, Papito? Oh my God. Jonathan, I'm trying to do a voiceover. The thing is, this blue one and the black one, they said the blue, it's not blue, it's black, it's navy blue, and it's velvet. And this red one, those two are my favorite ones, and they can't fit me. So sad. Yes, so this is the first one up, and I know you guys are seeing like a little indentation underneath my tummy. That's because when I was younger, my appendix burst inside of me, and yeah, I was near death, so I had to be rushed to the hospital. So basically my appendix was taken out. But looking at this video, booty goals, oh my God. But I still have, what you call them again, cellulite. Just watching this video is so cringy, but my back is coming in, though. My back is looking sexy. But this video is so cringy. Look at Jonathan. As usual. Look at him. God, he's so sexy, though. He's so sexy. So this is the second one, and this one is crochet. I love this one. This is my favorite one because it accentuates my figure more, because it falls right at the where my waist is. So it accentuates my hourglass shape. Again, I don't know how I feel about this video, but oh my God, but this bathing suit I would definitely wear. Look at how it looks. I love it. Excuse me. And it's crochet. I know it's a crochet around the place already. I know. Look at my fupa. Oh gosh. Anyway, so this next one is another bikini. Oh God. Listen, I'm not saying these bathing suits are horrible. I'm just saying what is going on with my body. And this one, it said the bottom is kind of tight, but look at the back of this one. It said that braid detail going down the middle. Oh yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait to feel comfortable in these bathing suits. But I'm gonna work to it. I'm gonna work to it. This one coming up is my favorite one. It says, if you find me, return to my squad. I love Zaful has full bathing suits as well, not only bikinis, but I have full bathing suits as well. And I like this. It covers my body except my back. But I can't wear one of the throwovers. We call them throwovers, which I'll show you guys at the end of the video. I got two of them. So I can wear one of those over this one. But this is definitely one of my faves. And because it's an all-in-one. Yeah. And the message, if lost, please return me to my squad. This next one is so revealing. Oh my God. I'm just going to show this short clip of it and pause, because this next one is extremely revealing. Yeah, I'll never wear this. I probably wear it with one of the throwovers, or with something underneath, but it's just really, it's crochet as well, and I don't have the balls to wear this. I really don't. But nothing against the style. The style is so pretty. So I love, oh my God, look at my boot. My bottom is growing so beautifully. But yeah, this one needs to come up more to cover the crack of my bum. I don't know how my camera woman ever told me. My mom was doing camera today and she was telling me, Simone, no, pull up this, pull up that. But this is what this one looks like. And I like the top. You see, I didn't really tight at the top because it can pull up some more. So I didn't really tight as tight. This other one, yo, all their crochet bathing suits are my faves. Look at this one. It just, even though I'm really thick, it just fits my body so nicely. And I love it. I really do. I love all the crochet pieces that I got from Zaful. I really, the quality, again, it don't feel cheap. Nothing was tearing on me when I was putting it on. Like, these bathing suits are it. But I already knew that about Zaful's. So this one, the throwovers that I got. And to be honest, I'm actually going to wear this as well on the road, not just over my bathing suits. And this is another one as well that I would love to wear on the road, not just out of my bathing suits. So cute, right? Crochet on crochet, crochet on crochet, crochet on crochet. All right, so cute, mom, removing Jonathan. And then this other one is the black one that I showed you guys before. And it's cute. It's nice. See? It will look cuter with a 2-piece or like in the 1-piece or whatever. But that's it, you guys, for this haul. Zaful, thank you so much for being so patient with your girl. I know it's been a long time coming and we finally made it, but we made it. So Zaful is also having a really huge sale and I'll link that in the description bar below and the discount code as well.